Hi, everyone. Welcome to Fox Focus. It's time for Case or No Case. My name is Melanie Ricks. I'm being joined by Jeff Pitman, attorney at PKSD Law Firm. Hi, Jeff. How are you?
Hey, Mel, I'm doing great. Hey, for Dios y Muertos, we've got the PKSD injury stickers. So go to our website, Facebook page. We'll be glad to send you one. So here's your scenario. So your daughter is off at college and she is a passenger in a car with her roommate, and they're driving from their apartment to class. And as they're driving to class, somebody approaches them from the rear going a little too fast and ends up rear-ending the car, and your daughter is injured as a result of that crash. But neither the driver nor of your daughter's car or the driver who hit them has insurance. So is there a case against anybody in that scenario when both drivers don't have insurance?
Oh my gosh. I would assume there's probably no case.
Well, there's probably a case if your daughter has uninsured motorist coverage through you as the parent. Wisconsin law does require that you have uninsured motorist coverage. That would cover your daughter who was involved in a crash with two uninsured motorists.
Oh, that's a good one. If you're wondering whether or not you have a case, all you have to do is dial the threes. That's 333 3333 for the PKSD guarantee.